5 facts that prove space is absolutely insane. Number 1. The footprints left by Apollo astronauts on the moon could remain there for millions of years because the moon has no wind or rain to erase them. Number 2. The largest volcano in the entire solar system isn't on Earth, it's on Mars. It's called Olympus Mons and stands nearly 3 times taller than Mount Everest. Number 3. Some black holes wander through space completely alone, with no star orbiting them. Number 4. Saturn is so light that it would float in water if you could find a bathtub big enough. Number 5. Not all planets orbit stars. Some, known as rogue planets, drift alone through the darkness of space. Space is far stranger than science fiction. Comment below and subscribe for more amazing space facts.